I told you guys this would be a horrible storm. I'd say this is the year. Watch this. The wind is up to like 80 kilometers an hour, probably about 100 soon, because we're in a wind warning. Sorry that I'm... Oh. Sorry if you guys can't hear me, but look at the ice. I'm gonna smash it. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is awesome. Good footage too. One of them cut me. I'm gonna try to get this one. Holy shit! Crap, I got one in my face. Okay. Trampoline clear. I'm gonna go this way. Even the freaking thing. Jesus. Look how deep this snow is. I can touch this. Oh god, that is not going to be good. We're going to have some flooding there, I believe. Oh man. Oh jeez. Where did these branches come from? I'll try to walk along here. This is frozen. I swear to God if I fall too. I'm gonna have to shovel the driveway. Man, look at the drift. See, the wind is coming this way. So the drift is going this way. And it's gonna be all over the hedge. See? So, I'm gonna go along back now. Snow's getting my face. Everything. Yeah, this is the first winter storm of 2014, January 3rd. It's so weird. Holy, this is great. That was right there. Look at it. I'm gonna check the basketball now. Look at it, it's like frozen solid. We had a nice storm. It was like a freezing rain warning, and then it rained, and then it froze over, because it was like minus 40 something. Watch me. Look. You can't move it. Oh! That is awesome. Oh, I broke. Cock. I'm gonna try to fucking get... I don't know if I can get this one. I did, but it's not as big. this ice storm was bad. I'm getting inside. It's torture. Look at that. So it's a nasty, nasty, nasty storm out there. We still have a wind warning, but the ice has already came back on the thing. I want to see if it did there. But since the snow came, I have to go shovel soon. I want to see how bad it is in the driveway. So I'm going up here to get a better view. Oh my god, the snow is drifting like crazy. Well, the driveway's not that bad, but look at that drift. It's freaking amazing, isn't it? So I just have some stuff to shovel. It's not that bad, but then I have to shovel the freaking whatever it's called, the deck, because it's gonna be collapsing soon. So I'm gonna be out there for a while. I forgot to tell you. Look what I got for Christmas present. It's what is it called? Airsoft gun? It's, yeah, I believe it's an airsoft gun. And it's not loaded right now, don't worry. The BBs are in there, and there's a target thing in there. But I'll show you how to use it. So, how to use it? Well, to get the clip out, you click this button right here, and it pops right out. And you load your BBs into this place right here. Once you loaded all your BBs in it, or whatever you want to call it, wrong way, stick it right in, make sure it's closed. This button, well, it's not really a button, you push it up, the safety's on, you can't do anything, you can't cock it, you can't push this back, you can't do this, you can't even shoot. But when you take the safety off, you can cock it, shoot it, bring this down, shoot it, and while it's on safety, you can still take out the clip. But, so yeah, so that's pretty much everything. It's an awesome gun, I love it. And, gonna be having some fun with this in the summertime, shooting at that target. It's gonna be fun. I don't think I showed you guys what I got for Christmas, because it was too busy. But, I'll show you guys right now, actually, in this vlog. First, I got The Walking Dead. It's like season 1 of a book. But the other one is downstairs. Oh crap, turn off the light. So, the other one is right here. Haven't got to it yet, but it seems pretty cool. Then I got Monsters University from my mother. Then I got The Walking Dead Complete Season 3. Got that from my grandmother. Then I got SpongeBob in my stocking, just for a little joke. So I got a $20 gift card for Wendy's, and that's the holder for it. $15 for Indigo. I got a magazine from my cousin, How to Build Your Own Gaming PC, because I want to build my own. I got Eric Walters' Wave. I love the author Eric Walters. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks pretty cool. It's a book, The Wise Man's Fear. And here's another one of The Name of the Wind. Then I got Axe 2-in-1 stuff. Then a coat hanger with Montreal Canadiens. Got cards. That's an iTunes card. That's, you can take it to any of these 5 places and you can get $15 off. I got batteries. Boing putty. You roll it up in a ball and bounces. I got some chocolate, another book of Eric Walters, of Terry Fox, Lipsol, iTunes card, candy cane, more batteries, deodorant, earphones, and a clocked radio where you put your iPod in there and it plays your music, and an HDMI cord, and more earphones, and the sweater that I'm wearing right now, I got it. So it's pretty good Christmas. Oh, and I got Shaun of the Dead and Hot Fuzz in the same DVD. Is there anything else? Oh, I got this from my brother. AJ's Cup Stacking, and oh, I got a Skype message, and he talks. It's a little minion. Watch this. You pull this down. On. What the? Is this battery broke already? I guess his battery is broke. Jeez, that sucks. I swear to God, if he's broke, I don't want him broke. It was $80. Oh, I'll fix him later. And I got a heat blanket for my father, because he's awesome. And look at the snow. I should get out there shoveling soon. Alright guys, so I just got back in from shoveling. It's 9 o'clock. And, well, pretty exciting day actually. Not that much to do, but it was a pretty good day. But, yeah, so it's nighttime, and probably gonna go to bed at 1:30 or 2. But, so, anyways guys, see you later. See you tomorrow actually. So, see you guys. Hope you enjoy the vlog.